Hi, my name is Jasly and she's my partner Priya, and we are going to talk about the introduction of business management and we are going to give the perks of why we decided to study business management. First, what is business management? It is one of the most demanding professions in the world labor market. Those who decide to study it could be sure that the job offers they will have will be numerous, and this is one of the reasons that why we decided to study this career.
So, what is management? As we can see here, management is a distinctive process that consists of planning, organization, execution, and control. And it is used to determine and achieve objectives that can be of an organization. And it uses resources and people.
First, administration basis. The administration is based in planning, lead, direct, organize, and control. Planning is get what should be done, how it should be done, what actions should be taken, and who is responsible for it, among other activities. Direct or lead is the action of managing the productive resources and guiding the collaborators to promote the fulfillment of the specific objectives.
So, organization, it consists of ordering and coordinating the human talent that the organization has, and it also coordinates the financial, physical, and other resources. Control, it is the evaluation and measurement of the execution and of the processes the people and the resources have. So let's talk about facts about management. A business manager can earn up to 188 pesos a year, which is 15,000 pesos per month. There is a high demand on the laboral market here in Mexico for this career. It is a very versatile career because you can work in different areas and also different countries. And also you can start your own company, which means that you don't have to work for another company. And you can develop many skills like creativity, communication, critical thinking, and financial intelligence, which is also used in your daily life.
And where you can work. The places you can work are in public and private organizations, international organizations, industries, shops, and as my partner said, create your own company.
So our conclusion is that if you're still wondering why studying this career, you have to consider that you will have numerous areas where you can work and develop different skills, and not only for the company, also for your daily life.
And that's all. Thank you